So hi guys, and welcome to this course about Shopify and e-commerce. First of all, I'd like to thank you all for joining this class. My goal here is to teach you step by step how to create your own Shopify store and to give you an introduction to how Shopify works. This course is more for beginners, so if you guys don't know how to use Shopify and what's Shopify, I'll present everything from A to Z in this course. So let's start. So in this course, what we will have, so at first the first thing what we're gonna talk about is how money is made in drop shipping business. So I'm gonna talk about the drop shipping business in itself and how money is made, all the ways possible that you can make money while drop shipping and having an e-commerce. After that, we're gonna create your free Shopify account. So we're gonna create everything from scratch for you, so you will be able to have your Shopify account already set up. Then I'll show you how the Shopify works, so how the application works when you get on Shopify and how Shopify works by itself. After that, when this course is done, we're gonna start the creation of your store. So the first thing we're going to do is choosing your theme. So I'm gonna present you all the themes that exist on Shopify, how to get access to them, the free ones and as well as the paid ones. So we're gonna choose your theme. When it's done, we're gonna add your refund condition and the privacy page, well, all the terms of service page. So we're gonna take all those contracts. I'll show you exactly what you have to modify, and after that, we're gonna implement them in your store and add them to your checkout and to your store. When this is done, we're gonna create for your store a contact page. So I'll show you how to do a good contact page. When your contact page is done, I'll show you how to create a logo. So, well, not create a logo, but how to add a logo to your page. So I really suggest you to already have a logo that is created right now. So this way you'll be able to add it on your page. When it's done, we're gonna create a homepage. So I'll show you how to create a good homepage that is presentable. So you can use my way of working to create your own homepage. Then, when this is done, we're gonna choose the right niche, because it's time for you guys to select products that you're gonna put on your store. So we're gonna choose the right niche. I'll show you how to choose the right niche, how to perform a good competitor research, and finally, you're gonna decide what to sell on your store. When all those steps are done, I'll give you a small introduction about AliExpress and how to choose the best product on AliExpress, because AliExpress is like a supplier, and we will need to choose the best products inside of this supplier, and I'll show you how to do it. Then I'll give you a small introduction about Oberlo and how Oberlo works. Also how to import your products from AliExpress by using Oberlo. And finally, we're gonna create together, we're gonna make your store multilingual and we're gonna make it more professional. I'll show you how by deleting the Powered by Shopify little thing, and I'll show you how to do it. So the goal of this course, as you can see, is really to help you out creating and starting out on Shopify, creating your own store from A to Z. So you will be able to start running your store. So by the end of this course, you will learn everything you need to know to be able to create your own store. So as it's written there, what you will be able to do by the end of this course, you will be able to create your store from A to Z, as I said before. So you will, so the same thing as the goal of the course, you will really be able to have your own store when the course is done, and you will be able to create other stores the same way. You can use the same strategy to create other stores in the future. So that's it from me, guys, and see you in our next class, which is how to make money, how money is made on Shopify.